Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a Four Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper on Friday, May the 31st, 2024, last day of the month. And I've already solved one puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. So two puzzles remain, the Killer Sudoku and the Four Star Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Four of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Let me continue with this Four Star Sudoku. News of the day, yes. It's time to end this war. Yes, in Gaza. Yes, Gaza. Israel has the soldiers has entered the center of Rafah. Yeah, and so there's a they want to stop the war, but the Hamas is positive to stop the war, but it's now the Israelis. Will they accept? Last time they won't accept. They want to destroy the city. I will post a picture, and here in the Netherlands they are protest, and you see a lot of shoes. Yes, shoes. 15,000 shoes. Children's shoes. 15,000 children died in Gaza, so they are protesting here, and they want to show us 15 children's shoes. Well, you will see it later on. Let me start with this one. 8631. Before I start, I always count up 20 digits. 26 20 digits. If I compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in the additional puzzle with 26 should be at 2 stars, not the 4 stars. 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. Question is this really a 4 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Almost 3 minutes past. How about the 2 in this column, 2 in the first column, so the column between the second column and the only place level 2 should be there. 3 3 3 3 5 5. Need a 9 here. Alright, 7. Need a 6 here. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so in the first row. The only place left the 5 should be there. These 3 missing numbers in this row, first row, are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this column, middle column, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so 1 digit left should be 8. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, and only 3 places left. 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in that row, no 7 there. Only place left 7 should be there. Then need a 2 here. Let me think. 1 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left with 5 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Okay. Alright, come on. Need a 9 here. Well. 8, 8, 8, 8. Need an 8 here. I'm thinking. 4 here. Need a 7 here. 4, 9, 6, 4, 9, 6. Need a 7 here. I'm thinking. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Need an 8 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 9 here. Yeah. We have a pair, the 5 and 8 in the first column, the 5 and 8 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Alright, so the 9 is missing now. The 6 is missing, 6, 6, 6. And the 4 is missing. Wow, 4, 4, 4. Need a 4 here, need a 4 there. Yeah. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this last row, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 4 could be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, third row, no 4 there. 4 it should be there. Two numbers left in the second column for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in this third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. Alright. 6, 6, 6. Need a 9 here. Come on. This is taking too long. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for 5 should be there. 5, 5. Need a 5 there. Need a 7 here. 2, 2, 2. Well. No. I'm thinking. Need an 8 here. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there in this column. Here or there. We see another 8 in this middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2. One of the missing number in this column is number 2. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Well, 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6, 6. Need a 3 here, need a 9 here, need a 2, need a 1 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Need a 9. Come on, 2, 9, 3, and 1. I need a 1 here. 3, 3. Well, this can be a 2 because in this row we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 9. We have 3 and a 9 in this big square, so no 3 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 3 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. So if we eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 9 or 3, we have a 9 now, so this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, the 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing, 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 9 and 3, we have a 9 now in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. Then 2 and a 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this row for number 1. It's missing. 2 is missing. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 in this column. Last column, 7 in the column X. On that column, the only 3 places left. 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 in the row below. No 7 there. Only place left. 7 should be there. Well, 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 in the last row, 2 in that row. So in the row between, only 3 places left. The 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 in the column next, no 2 there. The only place left for 2 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in a row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 in the last column, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4. A should be there. 1, 6, 8, okay. I need a 9 here. Yep, 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the second row, the middle row, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 digit left in the middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing here. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column between the only 2 places left for 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 and 8, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left the 5. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there, finishing 50 minutes again. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, yeah. Well, I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it all solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a moment, yeah, in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.